Eating pork every day can have various effects on your body, both positive and negative, depending on factors like portion size, preparation methods, and your overall dietary choices. Here are some potential consequences of consuming pork daily. Nutrient intake. Pork is a good source of essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming pork daily can help meet your daily nutrient requirements. However, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. Protein. Pork is rich in protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Regular consumption can contribute to meeting your protein needs. Fat content. Pork can be high in saturated fat, especially in cuts like bacon or fatty pork. A high intake of saturated fat can increase the risk of heart disease and other health problems. Choosing lean cuts and practicing moderation is crucial. Cholesterol. Pork also contains cholesterol, and a high daily intake of cholesterol can raise your blood cholesterol levels, which is a risk factor for heart disease. People with heart conditions or high cholesterol levels should be particularly cautious. Sodium. Some pork products, like processed meats, egg, sausages, bacon, can be high in sodium. Excessive sodium consumption can contribute to high blood pressure and related health issues. Cooking methods. How you cook pork can impact its health effects. Grilling, baking, or roasting lean cuts of pork can be healthier than frying or using excessive oil. Digestive health. A diet high in processed pork products may lack dietary fiber, which can impact digestive health. Incorporating fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains is crucial for a balanced diet. Food safety. Proper handling and cooking of pork are essential to prevent foodborne illnesses. Pork should be cooked to a safe internal temperature to kill harmful bacteria. Cultural and dietary factors. The effects of eating pork every day can vary depending on individual dietary needs and cultural preferences. Some people may have religious or cultural restrictions on consuming pork. Weight management. Overconsumption of calorie-dense pork products, especially when combined with an overall high-calorie diet, can contribute to weight gain. Portion control and a balanced diet are key to managing weight. Balanced diet. To mitigate the potential health risks associated with daily pork consumption, it's crucial to maintain a balanced diet. This means incorporating a variety of foods from different food groups, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This helps ensure you receive a wide range of nutrients and maintain overall health. Allergies and sensitivities. Some individuals may have pork allergies or sensitivities, which can lead to adverse reactions when consuming pork. It's essential to be aware of any food allergies or intolerances and make appropriate dietary choices. Cultural and religious considerations. In some cultures and religions, pork is prohibited or discouraged. It's important to respect and adhere to these dietary restrictions if applicable. Ethical and environmental concerns. Some people choose to limit their pork consumption due to ethical or environmental reasons. They may be concerned about issues such as animal welfare, sustainability, or the environmental impact of pork production. Moderation. Moderation is key when it comes to any dietary choice. If you choose to eat pork daily, pay attention to portion sizes and consider incorporating a variety of lean protein sources into your diet to ensure a well-rounded nutritional intake.